What's going on, guys? Dustin here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We're back with Josh from Trailbuilt.
Hello, good morning.
And we are here bright and early this morning for an episode of This or That. So Keaton's got some questions behind the camera. He's going to ask us, and we're going to answer. Before we jump into that, we are doing a really cool giveaway. So it's a full build. It's hostile wheels up to 22 inches with forged wheels being included, which is pretty cool. Nitto's going to hook it up with tires up to 22 inches, and then Superlift is taking care of the suspension on this one. So to get entered to win, all you got to do is head on over to customoffsets.com/giveaway. So head on over there, check that out. You ready to get into it?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, sounds good.
Clean Gen Cummins or clean OBS?
Oh, Keaton, why you do this to me? My heart.
Isn't the old school Gen Cummins a OBS?
Yeah, but they're talking OBS Ford. So it's like W250 Ram or with a Cummins or like a 96 7.3 Power Stroke.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can answer this. You're talking two of the most iconic engines of diesel pickup history.
Yeah.
The 12 valve has been the 12 valve forever, right? And it's simple, it's reliable. But the 7.3 Power Stroke is like, it's the Power Stroke. You know, like it set the tone for all modern diesel pickups.
Yeah, I had a bad experience with it was a 95 dually Ford 350 rear wheel drive with the 7.3 in it. It had a turbo.
It did have the turbo. I was gonna say that's IDI, isn't it?
Yep.
That's not the true Power Stroke.
That thing fought me tooth and nail, and I ended up just selling it. So I'm gonna go with the first gen Cummins.
Yeah, I think I'm also gonna go first gen Cummins. I mean, my granddad had a W250. It was a gas. It had the 360, but that was the first pickup I ever remember riding in, regular cab, long box, farm truck, you know. So I love those body styles. The 12 valve is stupid dependable. It takes, I think, 3 wires to run them, right? Power ground and a key switch.
They'll run off of just about anything.
Yeah, I mean, they're
Pour some waste oil in there.
Oh yeah. Turn the old P-pump screw up a little bit and let her eat, so.
Yeah, definitely first gen Cummins.
Yep.
That would be pretty cool.
That's the way I'm
Plus
going.
you can get them to sound pretty much like a semi-truck.
Oh yeah.
So, can't beat that sound.
Hit the Jake brake.
Stock half-ton with off-road toys or single fully built half-ton with no off-road toys?
Well, that's...
Oh, I was gonna say stock, but I don't know that I want a stock truck.
Right.
Wait, I found the loop.
Or fully... Oh, there's a loop?
I found the loophole.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you answer first.
Okay. All right. So now I'm curious to see what your loophole is.
No, you have to answer it first.
All right. So the fully built truck, it's just a fully built half-ton truck.
Correct.
Is there a lift? Is it dropped?
Whatever you want. However you want to build your half-ton fully built truck.
All right, then I'll take the fully built truck.
And just one truck.
Just the one truck.
No off-road toys.
Yeah, no, one's enough. I don't have time for more than one.
My loophole. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
I'm taking a stock Raptor with the toys. Because the stock Raptor performs phenomenally. They're great trucks.
Interesting.
They're awesome to begin with. And then I would build a couple of rigs on the side.
Okay, yeah, that's interesting.
It's my loophole.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
1986 K5 Blazer or brand new Blazer?
Ooh. So the new Blazer is super cool because it gets all the updates, and I really like what Chevy's got going on with them. I think they look pretty good. I think it's cool to see that line revived again, you know, and see that come back to life.
I guess I would have to see the new Blazer because the ones that I've seen look like an Equinox. So
they're very round. They are very round.
I'm definitely going to go, since I drive a 73 Scout and it has those square body lines to it, I'm definitely going to go with the 86 K5, definitely.
I'm going to go the same way. I really like, as much as I like the new Blazers, and I think they look really good, there is something about the short wheelbase and hand crank rear window on the old K5s.
Well, the K5s are only 2-door front windows, but still.
I'm talking the tailgate window.
Oh, the tailgate window.
Yeah, the tailgate window
if it
cranks.
Works.
Well, and then what happens is the handle breaks, so you pull it apart and you put a power drill on it. Just
or the mechanism inside gets all rusted.
Nah, you don't worry about that.
Then you try cranking it, and then the handle breaks. I had an 88 K5.
You don't worry about that.
Yeah, I ended up just taking the top off of it. And,
Yeah, they're neat though. They're super fun to wheel. They have such a short wheelbase. We had one, we used to push sprint cars with a K5, and it worked super well because you could put a suicide knob on it, and it has such a short wheelbase that you could dip in between cars, you know?
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, an old K5 with 33-inch tires on it, and that was a good runner. You know, we could take it off-roading and then still hit the hit the roads and trails on the weekend and stuff. That's pretty cool.
Correct. Cool.
Yeah, now I gotta go check out the new Blazer because I can't even believe that's a comparison.
It's an interesting question.
Bonus question. Perfectly fried chicken or perfectly medium rare 8-ounce steak?
Oh, steak. All day, every
Yes,
day. Fried
definitely.
chicken is good, right?
Yeah.
Colonel Sanders has got it going on.
Yeah,
However,
steak. Yeah.
there's nothing better than a good
No.
steak.
Yeah, steak for sure.
And then like a double baked potato on the side, or twice baked
Yeah.
potato on the side.
All right. See you later. I'm going for steak.
Yeah, that's another episode of This Is That, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you, Josh, for joining
Absolutely.
us.
Yep, it's been a pleasure.
We always appreciate having you on here.
I always appreciate being on here.
Remember, if you need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. And that's it.
Bam.
We're out.
Got it. Good to go. Steak? Ready for steak? Steak and
Let's
eggs.
do it. Steak and eggs.
Bam.